Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good afternoon. I apologize in advance. Allow me to introduce my family to all of you first. I will introduce my father whose name is Asjum, my mother whose name is Entin Wartini. The beginning of the meeting between my father and mother began when they both took an educational journey at the college level to achieve their future goal. From there, my father and mother meet and then greet each other until finally my father and mother graduate from college. They were both immediately pledged to work at different against. At that time, a bond of love was formed between my family and mother. Then, not long after, my father and mother continue their journey to the real life of marriage. My father and mother then legally became husband and wife. Not long after, they were blessed with pious children, namely two beautiful children. The children are my first child personally named Dian Kurniasi Saadah, and the second child is my young sister named Siti Asen Maisaro. Since then I started to grow up. I also met someone I might have known before when I was still in elementary school SD. His name is Muhammad Ilham Mulia Sansir. It's just that at the time my husband and I were not close friends. We only greeted each other from a moment. At that time I went to SDN Weragati 1 and my husband went to SDN Waringin 1. From there we both did not know what the word love meant. We could only know and know each other as fast as a brief introduction, approaching elementary school graduation, and I continued my studies in junior high school. My husband also turned out to continue at the same school when I entered junior high school, and even then I did know. Before that, my husband and I could go to the same school, namely SMPN Negeri 1 Palasa. Long story short, at that time my husband did not only want to know me for a moment. My husband rushed to approach me again and greet me again until now, and so on until finally we become friends like close friends. Then approaching graduation, my husband and I graduated from junior high school. We both finally separated again because we were limited by our respective education. Namely, my husband continued his schooling in Bandung, namely SMA Angkasa Lanud Hussein Sastra Bandung, and I continued my high school education at that time at SMA Negeri 1 Jatiwangi. From there we pursued high school education with enthusiasm to graduate from school. Since then we meet again when Eid al-Fitr arrived, which is the day when everyone forgives each other on his holiday. At the time, we both got to know each other closely again, not just as friends we used to live together when we were in junior high school. We both fell in love at the time, and not long after that we both decided to live together by continuing to marriage. At the time we both legally became husband and wife. Since my husband and I got married, we have been on a real journey of life. We can go through joy and sorrow together. At the time, I was blessed with a very fierce and beautiful child named Safira Maharani. Time continues to turn my child in now 5 years old. I can't believe I became a mother and a wife to my husband. There is a lot of happiness that I can feel until now to have my husband and child. Time keeps turning as we can see that every time we fast through, there are many memories of stories that we must remember until now when I first met my husband and finally decided to live together, namely marry my husband. Finally I had children and until now we have a happy and harmonious relationship until the end of our growing all together forever. That's all the information I can convey about my family. I apologize in advance for any wrong word or statement. Thank you very much for your attention and thank you very much for listening to my conversation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.